Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Today it's just a little bit different. This is a quick update. If you've been following our channel or watching the live stream, you know that David from the Clack is taking a family vacation and he's convinced them to come up this way to the Great White North, at least the southern part of the Great White North here in Minnesota. And he's going to be here for the live stream this Sunday, 7 p.m. Central Time. We'll be here in the shop hanging out. We'll be talking with you guys, and he's going to get to see what my space is about. And he'll probably be trying to put some stickers around, but we'll be doing that. And then Monday afternoon, we are doing a meetup. It's going to be here in Mankato, Minnesota. It's going to be at the Wow Zone, and it's going to be from 4 to 6 p.m. All the information for that is on a link down below. I do want you to sign up so we can get an accurate head count for that. We'll be just kind of having a relaxed kind of reception environment. There will be some snacks available. We are having to pay for the space, so part of that, if any food that's ordered comes off that bill. So we're going to provide some kind of dessert bars and such. I'm hoping some of you might be thirsty and hungry. Anything you order will come off that room rental bill as well. So it'd be an awesome way to hang out, have a snack, have a meal, and we'll be able to hopefully get away without too big of an expense on that room. But we are also going to be doing a giveaway there. I'll have some door prizes. It's going to be some of the equipment that has come through my shop, some of the things I've reviewed, some of the things that I've upgraded from. So I will definitely have some lasers and some laser-related material. There may or may not be a CNC machine in there and such, but I definitely have some multiple ones from diodes, maybe even some fiber galvo ones possibly. So you do need to be present to win, and you do need to pre-register to get your name in for those. So again, hit that link down below. It'll take you to the page that'll have the basic information. It'll just ask for your name, email, and if you have any extra people coming with you, because I really do need to get a head count for how many to expect. So if you want to get entered in those drawings, hit that RSVP. That's how you will get entered. We'll do that kind of midpoint, probably around 5 o'clock. That'll give some people a chance to maybe get there that weren't there, can't get there at 4. And then also before the thing wraps up at 6, in case people need to leave early. So that's kind of just the rough timeline of things there. Again, hit that link down below. Make sure that you get signed up. Other than that, it is an entertainment venue. So it's attached to, they've got an arcade, they've got bowling, they've got laser tag, they've got a kind of a restaurant and bar. So if you want to bring your family and have them hang out, there are things for them to do as well. And we'll hopefully have a fun evening of it. So definitely looking forward to David coming up here and also hanging out with some of you. I also will try to have some swag. I'll definitely have some stickers for everybody, but I also did a run of t-shirts here. I've printed off a few more, so I know people have been asking for them. This is kind of a trial run at batching some more out for myself. So those will be available there. I'm going to try to make up some hats and such, and if people want to walk away with something, they'll have that opportunity. I'm not sure David will have a lot of room, but he's talked about maybe at least bringing some stickers, and who knows, maybe he'll bring some other things as well. So mostly we're just excited to hang out with some of y'all, take some pictures, talk about what's going on, maybe share some ideas, and have some fun while David's here for just a couple days. And then we will send him and his family on their family vacation so they can enjoy the rest of the week and make their way back to Alabama. Like I said, just a quick update. If you have any questions, you can leave them down below. Otherwise, reach out to me through my contact information, and I'll try to answer any of your questions there for you. But definitely looking forward to this. Wanted to make sure we gave one final shout out and update on that for you. So get signed up if you're going to be in the area. Otherwise, make sure you tune in Sunday night, 7 p.m. Central. We'll be going live here from my shop, both of us together, and having a good time. So I hope for anybody here in the U.S. are celebrating the 4th of July weekend. It's their 250th birthday of the United States, and hope that you can enjoy that. You can celebrate that safely, and then we'll see you the following night for the live stream. And anybody that's in the area, we'll see you here in Mankato, 4 to 6 p.m., Wow Zone. Check out the information down below. So thanks for checking this out. Just real short check-in. Hopefully you can make it. If not, we will see you at some event in the future. But otherwise, if you can't make it here, I hope you are able to get out in your workshop and make something too. We'll catch you next time.